verdade aparece, correndo contra o tempo, esquece. Sem enfrentar, curar, padece, rolando escombros, carrega nos ombros o que não te serve, o que não nos serve. Incapaz de entender, nunca disposto a perder, destilo fel antes de beber, antes de beber. Enquanto aqueço a alma em devoção, fracos não são fracos ao se darem as mãos. Corrente positiva, frente inconformista, vários aliados sem pegar atalho, gostando ou não, gostando ou não.
So guys, just to explain what I did from the beginning here, I just prepared all the pieces here, as you can see. Two fenders here, right and left, the hood here, and the bumper. So, first thing, I just sand it with 400 grit paper sand, just to prepare the paint, remove all the clear coat, and to be ready to put the paint on it. And I just put some mastic on some holes that I found on all the paint, on all the parts here, as for example here, and some holes a little bit more here in the bumper. So second step, just to let it dry like this, few minutes, and sand it a little bit with coarse grit, 180 for example, or 2000, no, 200, yeah, 200 will be best. Just sand all where we put the mastic, and after finish it with 400 grit, and after this we're going to be ready to the first paint. This one is going to be the white pearl, a little bit difficult. So, first step will be 2 coats, at least 2 coats of premium white pearl undercoat, this one. And after this, second step with the pearl, for the premium white pearl also, the second step, this one. And after this, we're gonna put the clear coat. We're gonna see this after.
Will it serve the greater cause?
I'm gonna use white primer because it's gonna be white pearl paint. As I said, just on spot, mastic spot. To wait, let it dry, and after we're gonna sand it with 400 grit. If you have some leaks, not a problem. Like here, for example, we have one leak. We're gonna sand it after.
Express the same things but with different words. We acknowledge the same curve and those might have hurts. It's like the last line you draw to remind a past time. A fast-minded feeling of freedom, please to be recognized. And I can hear your doctors calling from here to saying, Killed by his independency and oculus eel, cause he armed himself with stealthy mass appeal. Where's my muse? Where's my muse? It feels like every word slipping through my mouth has been used. Stagnant like the old man feet in the dirt. With my glass I've reflected half the things that I've learned. A windowless frame in a transparent room, filling up cracks with plastic assumes. A shape shift, a nuance, a venue. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Wreck up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Wreck up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend. I've risen myself as I walk along the weary, moldy watching. I found myself staring, building up an empire of my great desire. Well, the fumes from my thought process takes me higher, higher, and I ain't stopping there. My avalanche of color starts over there, and I've got the solitary key to go through. Ray and delicious, but traps can be so vicious. Prepare for the ultimate takedown. Over and over and over and over again. Part-time experience might save you from deliverance, but will it serve the greater cause?
Yeah. I'll be here for the night, don't have to think twice. I'll be oh so nice, I have to think twice. I'll be here for the night, don't have to think twice. I'll be oh so nice, I have to think twice. Yeah. I'll be here for the night. Travel far, moving with the seasons, go to Panama, then on to Ibiza. Didn't take that long, ain't no time for weeping. Fingernails like claws on my clothes you keep. And you'll store your bag, think it had a reason. Can't remember shit, but I got a feeling. Play you all my songs on a blown out speaker, did we work it up? Can't remember either. Running in circles, not feeling okay. Act like imposters, we playing all day. Last night we talked all about holidays. One day we'll get all this.
So guys, I put just one good coat of pearl. I think it's good enough, and I will put clear on it, and that's it. I will put 2 coats of clear. It should be good.
I don't wanna take it back. No, 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 gonna have a heart attack. No, don't go, gonna spend the night with you. Hey, 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 nothing maybe you can do. Hey, hey, hey. Running in circles, not feeling okay. Act like imposters, we playing all day. Last night we talked all about holidays. One day we'll get all this thing, get away for the night. Don't have to think twice, I'll be oh so nice. I have to think twice, I'll be here for the night. Don't have to think twice, I'll be oh so nice. Don't have to think twice, I'll be here for the night. Yeah. I'll be here for the night, don't have to think twice. I'll be oh so nice, I have to think twice. I'll be here for the night, don't have to think twice. I'll be oh so nice, I have to think twice. Yeah. I'll be here for the night. Travel far, moving with the seasons, go to Panama, then on to Ibiza. Didn't take that long, ain't no time for weeping. Fingernails like claws on my clothes you keep. And you'll store your bag, think it had a reason. Can't remember shit, but I got a feeling. Play you all my songs on a blown out speaker, did we work it up? Can't remember either. Running in circles, not feeling okay. Act like imposters, we playing all day. Last night we talked all about holidays. One day we'll get all this thing, get away for the night. Don't have to think twice, I'll be oh so nice. I have to think twice, I'll be here for the night. Don't have to